Hey everyone, this video introduces Mucar 632 about the powerful AI features. Experience revolutionary car diagnosis with Mucar's AI-powered system. Before we begin, a quick note on setup. The AI functions require the latest software. If you start without an internet connection, you won't see an upgrade prompt. Once connected, go to the device's home screen. Simply tap Upgrade, select App, and hit Enter. You'll then see the prompt to update. Now, let's see its AI in action. Stuck on a car repair? Let's get fully diagnosis and repair steps with AI. Double-click MUAI icon and describe your issue, like Jeep Grand Cherokee losing cooling? How to fix it? Boom. MUAI gives you an initial diagnosis and repair plan. Need more precision? Add details from your repair process and keep chatting. MUAI refines its guidance and even gives you a checklist. Stop guessing, start fixing. Diagnostic reports giving you a headache? AI break down your report with one tap. After scanning your car with the Mucar 632, just hit AI Analysis. MUAI will break down your entire health report instantly, way faster than manual checks. Comprehensive analysis of all DTCs from the scan. Plain and simple. One more thing, soon you'll be able to compare before and after reports to actually see your repair results. Keep your device updated to unlock these smart features. Ask MUAI for a diagnostic checklist. It guides you through every step like a pro. Need deeper help with tricky car codes? MUAI goes beyond the basics. For complex issues, talk to MUAI directly. Describe your repair process, like Honda CR-V 0416-68. How to fix it? MUAI analyzes your steps and suggests custom fixes. Pro tip, ask MUAI for a diagnostic checklist. It guides you through every step like a pro. No more guessing, just AI-powered diagnostic. Let's see what MUAI can decode it for you. After running diagnostics, tap MUAI on the results screen. Instantly access MUAI Intelligent Assistant with code descriptions, common symptoms, step-by-step repair guides. And we're constantly updating with new codes. For a code like P0174, the AI doesn't just tell you the problem, it pulls up the relevant wiring diagram and visually guides you to the most likely test points, connectors, or components to check. From conversation to circuit diagram, Mucar 632's AI turns diagnostic guesswork into guided precision. Upgrade your toolkit today.